What in the world is going on here? When you're doing surveillance and bringing evidence to a client, there's going to be certain things that you know. But what do you tell a client? If you could guess, you can make your best guess, but that's technically called speculation. So if push comes to shove, I would say appears like a glass pipe. I would say appears to be smoking. And based on my experience and training, I might, add that little caveat into the report. But what's going to happen is a lot of times you'll be doing a background check or pre-employment screening. Yeah, even this guy may have pre-employment screening come up at some point. And when that happens, you absolutely need this in your private investigator business. Hi, this is Larry K with ShadowAnyone.com. Look, when you deliver a background report to a client, you're not going to have that beautiful surveillance footage to back up what you say. You're going to have documentation that you've gathered primarily through public records, and it's going to end up in a report that looks something like this. The charges that were filed against the person and the disposition on those charges, dates, case numbers, things like that. But at the bottom, you really want to have this. You want to have a disclaimer on every page that says, well, and here's the exact one that I used. While the information provided is from legal and reliable sources, its accuracy is a function of information from the requester as well as other factors, and its accuracy cannot be guaranteed. Yes, you have errors and omission insurance. Yes, everybody understands all these things, but add that extra layer of protection for yourself. If you're uncomfortable, if this freaks you out, you just got to get over that. This is the way things are done in this business. What I used to do was I would have my clients sign, before I started working for them, a statement of intents that says, number one, they're not going to be doing anything with the information I bring them that's illegal. And number two, that I can't make a 100% guarantee on this stuff. I'm bringing them the best information I have. And at the bottom of even that page, have this standard thing. Get them used to seeing this. People who are in the business, human resources directors, things like this, they all know this. We all know this, investigators. Don't let it hang you up when you're running your business. Have that disclaimer at the bottom. It's not unprofessional and it doesn't degrade your report in any way. If you want more behind the scenes tips about being a private investigator, please do go over to ShadowAnyone.com. I've got a free report on the homepage titled, If You Want to Be a Private Investigator, Give Up Unless You Do These 3 Things. I've got some stuff in there that you might not know if you're outside of this industry, and you definitely should know if you are in the industry. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. In the meantime, this is Larry K with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.